Hi boys and girls and men and women, this is your boy Avesh Pal, founder and CEO of Blumex Media and Blumex.ai. So I make 45 in just 30 minutes. I know that is not a huge number to shoot a video on that. So I decided to make a video on that type of guys that are entering in that industry to make money online, or starting sub agencies, business, AI and all the stuff. So today I am going to share my honest advice to you. I am not a multimillionaire or billionaire to share any advices, but I am sharing for you because I know in that in niche people are selling his courses and even not providing enough value to you to start as a beginner, because I know that type of channels that provide enough value and where I can learn my skills in free of cost. So I am also providing you free of cost everything. And if you want to book a call with me, so I'll drop a link on description. Go and just book a free call with me for 15 minutes, and there we can solve your doubts and all the stuff. So let's get start this video. So here is the some payment screenshots you can see. So this is 4,000 rupees for something that I'll be done for my client, and this is 500 rupees for I'll make a commission on video editing projects. So I'll share brief things that provide values to you. And if you found this video helpful, so make sure just like this video and subscribe my channel. So I'll make 4,000 rupees. I build a cash system for my client, and he is basically a course seller and he sells his services, and I built a cash flow page for him, that accept payments to him, and that takes me only 15 to 25 minutes to make that all the stuff, 5 minutes for bug, and all the system are done in just 20 minutes, and I'll make for 4,000 rupees in just 30 minutes. So why I am saying repeat time, because when you entering in this field, in make money online field, you are not respect your time. You will give 200 rupees project to 2 hours 3 hours a day, and that is not a good thing to do as a beginner. What I am going to say, please don't take low projects. If you need any money and if you want to take experience in that industry, example, if you are in video editing niche and you have a client that are saying go and edit my videos in 200, and if you are absolute beginner, go and make 2-3 reels of them, and if reels blow up, so then ask for a testimonial and go charge premium prices. That simple is this. Why I am saying this? Because time is money. People don't respect his time, and mostly teams or that guys, just 2-3 months ago I don't respect my time. I'll do cheap projects for 2 hours 3 hours a day, and then I realized how money is making, because money gives art. Money doesn't matters how much hard work you are putting. Money is matters how much mind you are putting in your business, how much communication is that, and all the stuff. And how I this 500 rupees make, I had a project come on video editing. So what we will do, I'll have a co-founder of mine, a good friend mine as well. So I'll give him a project, and the video length is 15 seconds, and we will charge 1,200 rupees for that reel, and he'll take half and I'll take half of that reel. I'll take 500 and he'll take I think 600 to 700. Please check your calculations. I am not mathy guy. And why money is important, let's talk about why money is important. If you focus on if you can't focus on money, what I'm saying, listen. So why I say to you, please respect your time, because when you will learn that skill that are fair in this market, that are customer needs, your client needs that skill. If you are learning in this time copywriting or basic coding, you are going into wrong way. go and learn how to use ChatGPT, how to use Gemini, how to use AI tools, how to use Replit, how to use Bolt.ai. And if you want, I make tutorial on this tool. So make sure give me a comment on that, and I will make a single video on each and every topic. So 4500 is not a huge number for something, and I also note that this number is courage. I don't want this number to set in my mind and I think, oh, I am a god, or I make something people are very people makes 1 lakhs in 1 hour. So that is simple thing, and I am not here to collect some pennies. 4500 rupees is some pennies for me, because that type of guy I am invest lots of money in myself, in my gadgets, in my lifestyle, and I am that type of guy who loves everything, watching movies and everything that our teenage guy loves. And please respect your time, because if you respect your time, so time gives you lots of value. So where you are putting 200 rupees project for 5 hours, 6 hours, so you can learn a skill, you can learn a tool, you can learn a editing style, you can learn a graphic design style. So please try to upscaling every day. We are living that type of country world where you are sleeping with something, and when you wake up you are thinking you are seeing the world and everything is changed. Yeah, daily we are very very thankful to God, because we are born in this generation, because this is the time to be the next billionaires, next millionaires, next trillionaires of the world. Yeah, when the internet boom comes, then Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, or all the guys are make.com, Mark Zuckerberg, all the stuff, they are going into internet. And now is the time of AI, now is the time of business. And I am not saying go and run a business. No, if you don't have interest, no, never run a business. But if you like hustle, if you like hard work, because business isn't easy. It 2:34 a.m. in night, and I'll shooting this video because I want to give you value. I not earn a single penny from this video, but why I am shooting this video? Because I'll watch lots of video on that and I'll feel very motivated. So I am giving this value to you, because I know all the guys are not implementing my talk or implementing my words in his life, but those 2 or 5 guys that are implementing my word in his life and taking time serious, so that are going to be something different. So I think that's it for that video, and I think that is valuable, and I'll trying to give my enough value to you, and I'm a not perfect guy for giving value. I'll know. So make sure do a comment, and if you have any further doubt, so just book a call with me. And if you have long doubts, so you want to book call with me, that cost some pennies for you and all the set. So if you don't like this video, make sure that video को like करो, and if you don't subscribe this channel, so make sure channel को subscribe करो.